Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to enable automatic login to user in Rocky Linux 8 operating system. So first I am going to settings. So here settings details. So under details users. So you can see automatic login is disabled. So just click the unlock button. So provide the root password here. Just toggle the button. Just toggle the button. You can see automatic login is enabled now. Now you reboot the Rocky Linux 8 operating system. Yes, I can able to log into the Rocky Linux 8 operating system without asking for a password prompt. Yes, I can able to log in. Okay, make use of this feature in